are starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Black Rock coffee going just about 5 miles. Really hoping this weekend is a lot better than the last one. Thank you. This place is surprisingly busy already, but I guess if the sun's up, everybody's up. Total for that order was $10. Wow. I don't know why, but I expected that to be a lot lower. So, thank you. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 4.5 miles. Oh, I just looked at the order and it's only one drink. That's gonna be a cringe no tip. Thank you. Total for that order was $7. Meh, not amazing. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one is going 4.5 miles. And there's the no tip. Total for that one was $3 and change. Next up, we've got a stacked Burger King. I think the total for both of them is gonna end up being around 5.5 miles, maybe a little bit more. Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, dude.
Yep.
Appreciate you.
Got it?
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good one. Total for those two was $12 and change. Pretty good, pretty good. Got the next order right away. This is Starbucks, $7 going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is going 4 miles.
All right, I'm you
too. Is that a cat?
Yes.
Wow. How old?
2 months.
2 months, wow.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Julia.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
What color is your cat?
I got two. I got one that's like calico. It's like orange, black, and white. And then the other one is black and gray. Or white and gray, sorry.
Cute.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You
For
too.
real.
Total for that one was $9. And we got the next order right away. It's for a place called Loro Coffee. I don't think I've been there before, but it's like walking distance. I probably would have walked if I didn't park blocking somebody in. Whoops. Hello. What's the powdered cover thing?
That is a chocolate.
Is it just these?
Yeah, it's just these two pastries and the cappuccino.
Thank you.
You're good on getting something for yourself for now?
I'm good for now, thank you. Yep, you too. Imagine doing deliveries in that thing. Total for that order was $10. Very good. Thank you, thank you. Next up, we've got Nectar Juice Bar going just under 3 miles. This one is probably not gonna be ready because I got it right as I was at the light for it. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. It's only one item, so it didn't take too long, but also it's only one item, so probably not gonna be worth too much either. Oh yeah, No tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. Ooh, this one is high mileage. Do I even take it? Yeah, let's do it. This one is Tammy's Bleepin' Kitchen, going 7 miles. Thank you. Thank you. There you are. Total for that order was $8. That one was not good, but we got the next one right away. This is McDonald's, going 1.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $8. I think I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. Current time is 9:14. Total, we are at like 81. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.